Hi, I'm Lottie and today I'm going to show you how to use Equigrow's fertile mulch. So here I have Equigrow's fertile mulch. This is a horse manure wood chip based product. I'd use this to put my garden to bed, so it helps weed suppression over winter, it improves the nitrogen content within the soil, and it also helps protect plants' roots from frost damage. So the best way to get the most out of the fertile mulch product is to apply about 3 to 4 inches in the autumn to your beds. So I just make sure that it's all covered over nicely so there's no chance of any weeds coming through. Ensure that you put it around all of your plants, like this shrub here, to make sure that there's no frost damage to any roots over the winter. This is also a multi-purpose product, so you can use this to top dress your beds all year round. This again is a peat-free product and 100% natural, and this is how I would use the Equigrow fertile mulch.